Welcome to this technical guide on the Neato Robot. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your Neato robot is having trouble navigating around your home, it may be due to a faulty laser tower. This component is essential for mapping and detecting obstacles in its environment. If left unrepaired, your robot may not only struggle to clean effectively, but it could also lead to further damage or even complete failure of the device. To carry out this repair, you will need a few tools: a small Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, some tweezers, and a replacement laser tower compatible with your Neato model. Begin by ensuring your robot is powered off and unplugged. Carefully flip the device over to access the base. Using your Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the cover. Keep them in a safe place. Once the screws are out, gently lift the cover off to expose the internal components. Locate the laser tower. It's usually situated at the front of the robot. You can identify it by its cylindrical shape and the lens on top. If you're unsure, refer to your user manual for a diagram. To remove the faulty laser tower, gently disconnect any cables attached to it, taking care not to tug too hard, as this could damage other components. Then, unscrew the laser tower from its mount using your Phillips screwdriver. Set the old component aside and take your new laser tower. Align it with the mounting points and secure it in place with the screws you removed earlier. Reconnect the cables, ensuring they are firmly attached. If at this point you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Once everything is back in place, carefully replace the cover of your robot, ensuring that it fits snugly. Secure it with the screws you previously removed. Now, turn your Neato robot back on and allow it to perform a navigation test to ensure the new laser tower is functioning correctly. If the robot navigates without issues, you've successfully completed the repair. To prevent this problem from recurring, make sure to keep your robot clean, particularly around the laser tower area. Avoid using it in overly dusty environments, as dirt can obstruct its sensors. Regular maintenance can significantly extend the life of your device and its components. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.